Hey everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. So this is week 2 of the March 2019 Mini Kit Monday, and I am pulling out the watercolor tubes that are by Becky Booten. I had mentioned that I would, in a previous video, that I would swatch out the colors before using them again, but I didn't. Nope, 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 nope. So here is a challenge that I'm doing from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. We were to use a stencil and apply, mixed media to your page, and you got extra points if it was rainbow. And I thought, oh, I can do that. So I'm using this Becky Booten stencil, and I decided to make so I'm putting the primary colors down. So I'm starting here with the yellow, and I don't want to put yellow right up to the edge because to me, there's still red and orange that is part of the rainbow before that. So then next to it is going to be the orange, and then I'll have this red, which is kind of a pinky red. And the next, oh, I know I'm kind of fumbling over my words. So there's also a blue color that I put down, and you'll see that in just a minute. And then purple. I believe it's purple. So here's the blue. So I am going to be making green from that because I'm going to pull some of the yellow and make a green. So that's going to go between the yellow and the blue. That kind of makes sense. You guys have done rainbows before. But instead of introducing a green that I wasn't too sure about because I haven't swatched these yet, I decided to make my own green because I know that the red and the blue that I'm already using, I know that that will make a green. So that's why I chose to do it the way that I did. It's kind of, I don't know. It's a long way of doing something. Yeah, if it can take forever to do, yeah, that's the way I'm going to do it. So now that is the color of the rainbow, but now I need it to go all the way across. At least I want it to. And the flowers aren't going to match up. And you know what? They don't have to. I was A-okay that they didn't, because really all you see is the rainbow color. And there is, oh yeah, there's some flowers there, yada, yada. Yeah, it looks fine. It looks fine. So now I'm just kind of going back. And I mean, can you tell that the flowers don't match? It doesn't really matter. So I've got to add some more of the color, as you can see, because I need it to go all the way across. And I guess I shoulda, coulda, woulda cut out part of this, but if you really want to see my full process, this is the way I did it. This will give me an opportunity to talk about the lovely ladies that are part of the Mini Kit Monday. I am going to leave their channel links below in my description box. We have a lovely group of ladies, Becky Bidding and Dollie Boyd, Kathy Feigl, Leslie Berner, Daisy Nehemiah. Oh, they are so talented. Make sure you stop by their channels and leave them some love. Let them know that you enjoy, watching their creations. Yeah, leaving a thumbs up and leaving a comment. That really does mean a lot. It does, it does. And then it took me forever to clean my brush. Oh, so I got an extra set of those brushes. So I only had one. And when just recently I got a second set. And if anyone has those brushes right now and you bought them, like, let's say in the last 6 months, the narrow one, the bristles were so long that it was hard to use. And that's why I had a rubber band around my bristles. But when I bought the new set, the bristles are shorter and it works so much better. But I'm too scared to cut them because it's working with the rubber band. So I think I'm just going to leave it alone. I think I'm just going to leave the rubber band there. Okay, so now all of this is dry. I'm pulling out all the papers that I have from my kit. There's my inspiration page right there, that beautiful rainbow. I'm not going to use that on this page, but I'm looking for something to back this, this watercolor element on, and I'm going to choose the red. I like the red, and I'm not even going to get it out. So I've got this new Tonic 12-inch guillotine trimmer that I love. You've seen me use the smaller one. I love this one. In fact, I like this one a little bit better. For whatever reason, this one works well. I'm getting ready to take it to the retreat. I'm, of course, filming this before I go to my retreat. It it travels well because the handle comes off and the little stand that's over there on the left side comes off, and you attach them to the back. So I'm going to put them in my suitcase. It's lightweight. I love it. So across the edge, I know that it looked a little blank. So I'm doing my doodling there, doing the lines on all four edges. And the photo is, I don't know if I did a close up of the photo. It was really kind of a busy photo, but one of the twins is making an hilarious face. And she is inside of a car and she has a hat on. She's just a funny kid. Funny, funny, funny kid. And I just wanted to capture this photo. Because everything is so rainbowy, so colorful, I don't want to add a lot of other colors. I don't want to add actually any color. So I'm just using the gray and the black and white to matte this because I felt like it needed a matte. It needed a little something to make it pop. Also doing the doodling along this edge. I don't do it on the gray though. Yeah, this is the 8.5 by 11 guillotine trimmer. This one to me is a little harder to use than the 12-inch one. Love the bigger size. To me, it was worth the investment. I think I have every trimmer out there. I have, well, somebody that's been scrapping for 20 plus years. You've tried a lot of trimmers. A couple years ago, I bought the Caterpillar, which is a great trimmer, but it's so heavy and it's a bit bulky, and I'm not going to be able to take it to any retreat, because I fly. All right, so now it's time to go through all the embellishments. What am I going to use? I'm going to use this little sticker. It says, "Love these people." So I was going to title this just Crazy Girl, but then when it says "Love these people," well, I guess I should make it plural. Yeah, so that's why it's girls. So here are the labels. I like the way that the labels look right here, how they're, horizontal, and why I decided to put this photo at an angle, I don't know. Oh my goodness. I've got to stop doing that. So here's my alpha. I am going to get this huge title, huge letters. These are American Craft. I got these at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. So I'm looking for crazy. I'm going to put it up there next to the photo, but under the rainbow. Under the rainbow. Crazy is under the rainbow. Yeah, that sounds about right. That's my life. Okay, so I could have done just crazy, but then I thought, crazy what? I kind of needed to end that sentence. So now I'm kind of re-looking at all the labels. So what do I do with these? I end up putting them at the same angle as the photo, and it just makes me so mad that I did this. So as I'm attaching them, I don't even realize what I'm doing until I'm done. And then I'm like, oh, this is not what I wanted. Oh my gosh. So upset with myself. And I really notice it when I put the crazy down and the T ruler. Like, oh yeah, it's so funny how my eye doesn't see it right away. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I end up straightening them out, making them more horizontal. It's all okay. Everything worked out. It usually does. And then it gives me a little space to put the word girls. Here we go. Let's make it horizontal. Ah, much better. So my crazy heart. No, 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 no. It's got to be girls. But I didn't have any S's. And I thought, oh, this is no good. So I thought, and I thought, well, do I have anything that I can make an S? Because sometimes I do that. Sometimes the number 8, you can make an S, but it was the wrong size. So that's why I went with the Z. It's kind of gangster, isn't it? I'm sure the girls will appreciate that. The twins will. So I even happened to leave some space in there. The only reason why there was space is because I wanted that L to go on the inside of the descending of the Y from crazy. So that did leave a little room for the Z. And I don't even show me putting it on there. I do it later. I catch it later. You'll see it in the close-ups. So these are some of the puffy stickers. These were actually from, oh my goodness, I don't even remember. Oh, it doesn't matter. Here are the close-up guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks for tolerating my rambling today. I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.